Health insurance plans come in various types, each offering unique coverage options to meet the diverse needs of individuals and families. Understanding these plan types is crucial for making informed decisions about healthcare coverage. Here are some common health insurance plan types. HMO plans typically require members to choose a primary care physician, PCP, and get referrals to see specialists. These plans often have lower out-of-pocket costs, but may limit coverage to a network of healthcare providers. PPO plans offer more flexibility in choosing healthcare providers. Members can see both in-network and out-of-network providers without a referral, although staying in-network usually results in lower costs. EPO plans combine elements of HMO and PPO plans. They provide coverage only for in-network services, except in emergencies. EPOs do not require referrals to see specialists. POS plans blend features of HMO and PPO plans. They require a primary care physician and referrals for specialists, but allow some out-of-network coverage at a higher cost. HDHPs come with higher deductibles and lower premiums. They are often paired with health savings accounts, HSAs, allowing individuals to save money tax-free for medical expenses. Catastrophic plans are designed for young, healthy individuals. They have low premiums and high deductibles, covering essential health benefits after the deductible is met. These are government-sponsored programs. Medicare provides health coverage for individuals age 65 and older, as well as certain younger individuals with disabilities. Medicaid offers coverage for low-income individuals and families. Understanding the nuances of these health insurance plan types is essential for selecting the most suitable coverage based on individual health needs, preferences, and budget constraints. It's important to carefully compare plan features, including premiums, deductibles, co-payments, and network coverage, to make an informed decision about the right health insurance plan.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.